Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the now playing game activity on Discord to any game or message you would like. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. I'm sure you know you can choose for Discord to display the current game you are playing. This is a fun little trick to make it display any game or message you want. On Discord, open up the user settings from the bottom left of the screen. In Settings, click Game Activity from the left sidebar. Make sure that your setting is enabled to display your current game. You can add a custom game with the Add button. This will show you a list of programs running on your PC. Select one that is always running in the background, such as antivirus. Now just click its name and you will be able to replace the name with anything you'd like. Hit enter to save it. If we go back to the user list now, it shows that I am playing Modern Warfare. You can change this text to anything you'd like. You will need to keep the program you renamed open in the background of your PC for Discord to keep showing that you are playing it. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Discord tips and tricks.